What is up, guys? Go ahead and like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet. You'll get these updates as these projects move along. I'm doing a little bit of moonlighting tonight. I want to glass this up tomorrow, so I'm going to fill these holes. I poured a little bit of foam earlier with a syringe, and now I'm just going to fill all of those basically with this fiber fill mix. That should be enough. Add some hardware. Pretty simple stuff. Try to make sure I'm not going to air out. Got my son here with me today. Say hi, buddy.
Hi.
He's learning a thing or two, I hope. Maybe you are too. Go ahead, like and subscribe if you got this far. Appreciate it. I hit these earlier with a heat gun and threw a little bit of A and B foam in there. I'm hoping that that solves any moisture issue that might be in there. And I can come back tomorrow and just hit these with a grinder. And I've already prepped everything for glass. Around the whole surface area, so I'm just plugging these up so I don't have dips. And we've got to fill in pretty good gap here, actually. So see how that turns out. Should be just fine. Alright, so that's pretty much all set. Like I said, I'll come back and sand, grind the area over, and I'll lay up a couple layers of fiber on top of that, and pretty much fair over the whole thing. So to see that next video, go ahead and subscribe, like the video. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching.